this is the biggest update for this month of May. For me, that you're going to register in an account and you'll be given $50 loan free of charge. This one is not the scam I've been trying all this while that is not working. You're giving $50 immediately you register. I am not going to talk much about this. I'm only going to tell you how to navigate, because me, I noticed something. I noticed that Android phone is not working very well in registering. It's giving issue. It's not like it's not working, but the network issue, there's network issue mostly with Android phone. So if you have an iPhone works very, very, very fast. I am going to attach the video that another person already made on how to create this account. It's not as if I cannot do it, but I just want you to know that a lot of persons are doing this. And after this, you can go ahead and search for yourself on YouTube about Joy Coin. The coin is on Binance already and is worth a lot of money. Go and check it out. So just go and check out Joy Coin on Binance. So this is not just a scam to get you registered or to get you stress yourself. No, right? Another thing again I'm going to promise you is because I've said that this thing is working. This is not to prove a point. In fact, I don't want to prove any point to you. If you like, you go ahead and do it. If you don't like, but people are cashing out full time, big time from this update, right? So this is the best update in this group for now. This is the best update in this group for now. So I'm going to add a video of how to create it. Then after that, wait, I will also tell you the next thing. If you are finding it difficult to create the account, especially if you are in my group, only for people in my group, you can send me your email address, your phone number, and your default password that I will use and create it for you. If you don't have an iPhone, you can send me your email address, your phone number, and a default password. After creating it, all you need to do is come here when you have logged in. Come here when you have logged in and change your password right here. You see an option to change your password. You see this place, you change your password. So I think that will help. And again, after registering, the person that registered me made me a promise and he fulfilled it. So I'm going to also make you a promise. After registering, if you're able to make up to $100, if you follow the process and make up to $100, because the $50 they're going to give you is borrow, and you're going to pay it back before you start withdrawing. I will help you to pay for that money when you withdraw the money, and then give you take back my $50, and take back my $50, and you take your balance of any amount that you're going to withdraw. So just stick around and while I play the video on how to create the account. Thank you.
I'm doing this video to show you how to do your registration. You put your name, your last name, your phone number. Please, when you're putting the phone number, remember to add +234. That's Nigerian code, country code. You choose your country, you leave it at African time, African Lagos time. You put your email, you put your password. You see this Telegram handle, please. They need your Telegram username, not your Telegram link, not link. And when you're typing your username, please don't start it on capital letter. If you start it on capital letter, it is not going to work. If you start your Telegram handle with capital letter, it's going to give you an error. Now let me even try it so you would see. If I want to create this account, you can see enter a valid Telegram distance. So I have to change it to a small letter. So you click on create account. You can see it did not give me any error message. The registration is done. Now, after your registration is done and you're in this place, please, this is what you're going to click. Open Mojoy account. When you click on open Mojoy account, click on Perpetual. When you click on Perpetual, please read this. You can see, click I agree button to take advantage of the Mojoy Perpetual Fund. This is a short-term loan of Joy B&B needed to operate daily. These people would give you $50. 48 will go for you will receive 48. You understand me? And you receive 2 as your B&B when you click I agree. So you just click on agree. Immediately you click on agree like this, you understand me? You can see perpetual loan started. This loan is given to you free of charge. All what you have to do is to bring in people to also collect this, to bring in 2 persons under you, 2 persons under you to also register with your link and get this. If you read down, you will see what you stand to gain by doing exactly this. So if you're benefiting free of charge, there is no need for you to hide the updates. Refer your 2 and let your 2 also bring in their 2. It is free of charge. Money is not involved, and you can make up to $5,000 monthly and withdraw. All you need to know will be discussed more.
Wait, don't end the video yet. The link to this platform will be on the comment section of this video and on the description of this video as well. And in case you are seeing this video on YouTube alone, on my channel here, you are not in my group, I will also drop the link to my group in the description of this video. So go ahead and click on the link to join my group so that you'll be able to get more updates about this information that I just gave out now and more updates too. And please, if this video meets you well, please go ahead and like it so that YouTube will notify more persons about this video, so that also when I drop other videos, other important videos about money making updates like this, you'll be the first person that YouTube will notify about it, right? Don't just watch video and skip. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get more updates like this. Thank you and God bless you.